Now let's introduce you the next process for the XLPE installation surrounded on the conductor. The conductor is drawn forward through this machine, and the XLPE raw materials will be put into this machine. After heating, the XLPE will be melted. The melted XLPE will be laid on the surface of the conductor. This machine is called ultraviolet cross-linking equipment, which is helping the XLPE insulation fixed on the conductor. After the water cooling tank, we use the spark tester to test the insulation of the XLPE. This process is online inspection to the insulation of the cable. This is pneumatic detector which helps the cable moving forward smoothly. Now the conductor is successfully insulated by XLPE.